Hi, this is Alan with Y&L Landscaping Company, and I've prepared this video to show you the scope of work that I'm proposing for your yard. Um, we will be trenching out from the garage all the way along this fence here, about 12 to 16 inches out. We'll also be going along the back fence here, as well as down this fence line that I was showing you down here, and we're going to stop right at this wall here, and we'll be installing trench drains where we excavate and filling that with river rock, so you'll have river rock on top, and that will capture all of the water that is coming from the other properties into your yard. We will tie that into a 4-inch pipe, which will run in this direction, eventually out to the street. You will be also getting an open stone trench drain that is adjacent to the deck here and runs along this entire boundary with trench drain and river rock on top to capture any water that's making its way this far on the surface. And that will be tied in with a 4-inch pipe as well to the main 4-inch line that runs out to the street. In addition to that, we'll be installing a grid system of trench drains in the yard, 2 rows of 20 feet and then 1 row of 30 feet farther out where it goes past the shed. The best way for me to show you that is on an overview aerial. So here you can actually see that in this area. This is a recreation of the grid. 2 20-foot sections, 1 30-foot section, and then a 20-foot section here, 20-foot. It's actually 2 10-foot sections on each to capture all that groundwater that's building up and really what's really causing you problems with water getting into your basement. We will also be putting 2 surface drain basins, 12-inch drain basins, one here and one here to allow water to drop into our system that's coming in these directions. So you can see here, this is where your river rock beds will be. There's one here. All of those will be tied in and go out to the road, and then you'll have this grid system collecting groundwater, which will also go out in that direction. I also want to show you this area here. We will be excavating this area here, putting a drain field in and some perforated pipe, a grid of perforated pipe in here, filling this whole thing with river rock on top. So it'll actually come out this far and it'll meet this river rock bed, and that will help capture water that's coming either from the neighbor's yard through under the fence here or in this direction. And then keep in mind you'll have a 4-inch pipe from the yard grid that goes in this direction, and a 4-inch pipe going in this direction from our drain fields and this drain field. We'll put some perforated pipe up in here to collect water that, or to capture water that collects in this area, and then run 2 tandem 4-inch pipes out to the roadway, under the sidewalk and through a curb cut. So it's a fairly extensive project. It's definitely designed to capture all that water that's coming into your yard. You know how bad that can be, but this is kind of a rundown on the project. If you go back into the email, there's a link you can follow to view your proposal once you've seen this video. So go back and have a look at the proposal, and then reach out to me if you have any questions, concerns. Let me know how you would like to proceed, if you would like to proceed. If not, you can let me know that as well. And I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you very much.